Okay, so for our examples, our first example is CH3CH3. Because we have 2 carbons, we know that this would be ethane. So we underline the amount of carbons in blue. So we'll underline the name that tells us the amount of carbons in blue. Our next example, butane. The but tells us that there are 4 carbons. So we would do 4 carbons. And each carbon has to have a total of 4 bonds. So draw in the remaining bonds with H's. Another way to show butane would be with a line formula. So because you have 4 carbons, which are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you would draw 4 points on a line. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 point, 2 point, 3 points, 4 points. And that's the line formula for butane. Our next example has 6 carbons. So we know right away that it will be hexane, using the prefix hex because of 6. And then we look at the position of our branch. So because our branch is on the first, second, third carbon, or from this side it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go from the left because that gives us a smaller number. We write 3, and we have 1 carbon, so it's methyl. And 1 carbon, methyl. Our last example, 4-ethyl-2-methyl octane. We know automatically from octane that we have 8 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll underline those. And we have, on the 4th carbon, we have an ethyl branch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter which side we start from, but I'll start from the left. So we have 1, 2 carbons. And then on our second branch, we have a methyl. So you're going to start from the same side. So on this one, we have 1 carbon. So we have 1 and 2. And now you fill in the remaining bonds, which would make a total of 4 with H's. Which I'm not going to draw them all in, but that's pretty straightforward. Another way to represent this 4-ethyl-2-methyl octane would be with a condensed formula. So you would draw like this. And there you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons. You have a methyl branch in the 2nd spot and an ethyl branch in the 4th spot. And that's examples for alkanes.